After my recent visit to Sacramento, I decided to travel to the Siemens Mobility plant south of the city. As you can see, they're in the process of supplying trains for many American cities. Shown here, Sound Transit for Seattle, the S700 cars for Houston, San Diego Transit, Brightline in Florida, ALC 42 charger locomotives for Amtrak, and others. I'm not sure which one this is for. I was hoping to see some of the S200 cars that are being supplied to the Muni Railway in San Francisco, but I think they've all been shipped and there were none to be seen. Having survived the 100-degree heat while making this video, I'd like to ask a favor of you. Could you please like and subscribe to my channel? Thank you.